next we're gonna go over hip hinging. So I see a lot of golfers who come in here and they have low back pain. Anyone in general, honestly, with back pain or hip pain, and a lot of other things, everyone needs to know how to hip hinge. But with golfers specifically, I see this being an issue. They round a lot through more mid-spine instead of hinging at their hips to get into position. So we're gonna go over that. So what I want is the ability to be here, not here. Or even some of them are a little bit more here. That still puts a lot of strain on your low back. I want you to be able to sit here and feel comfortable. So a good exercise is, and it's just a big cueing thing, are pole hip hinges. So you're gonna do 3 points of pressure, okay? Back of skull, between your shoulder blades and your tailbone. So the pole or whatever you're using, Swiffer, broom, mop, walking stick, cane, you can use any of those. And what you're gonna do is feet are kind of hip width, shoulder width apart, and then we're just bending over, but not allowing that tailbone pressure point to come up, okay? So when you start doing that, that means I'm rounding a lot more through upper back and not hinging through my hips, okay? This is really important so that your hips can move properly, but that you can, especially if you're putting, that you can stay down in this stance and your low back is okay. There's other things like deadlifting is great, we'll go into that, but just to work on your low back and your glute strength to be able just to stay in this position. But I love teaching people how to move properly through here, so the positioning is a lot easier. So I usually run through 10 of those with people just to get some movement pattern repetition, and that usually really helps a lot. So if you haven't done those or tried those, or you have trouble with those, really get good at those for golfing.